Context is key. It's either a Pocket Access database from old PDAs or a CardScan contact file. Neither works on Windows 10 natively. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify the file. Here's a professional insight. For those CDB files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. The CDB file type sits within the database file category. The Pocket Access database extension is native to its internal logic. A CDB file is associated with Pocket Access and CardScan software. Pocket Access was a database application for handheld devices, while CardScan is a business card scanning and management program. The CDB file stores data related to these applications, such as contact information, database records, or scanned card details. The internal structure of a CDB file is proprietary to the software that creates it. It typically involves indexed data structures for efficient data retrieval. Reverse engineering may be required to fully understand the file format, and specialized tools are needed to access and manipulate the data within the CDB file. Technically, the best program for CDB is usually CardScan from Newell Brands. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows provides only limited insight, so interpreting the data requires specialized database applications. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is a Windows CE database or a generic database file. Next, use SQLite browser. If a generic database, open the file using a SQLite database browser, e.g. DB browser for SQLite, dbeaver. Finally, use program Emulator. If a Windows CE file, use a Windows CE emulator or a specific utility designed to read the older format. We've finished today's solution. Like and subscribe to be notified about the next video in this series. Remember to be patient with complex formats.